Hello everyone, welcome to our summer intersession course, Learn to Excel in Excel, ARSC 111. So I am MD Imran Hassan. I am doing PhD at the Department of Political Science in Public Policy at this university. So I will be here with you throughout the short course here. Mm, let's jump into the syllabus before going to the regular classes. So for the instructor information, you see my name here and my email address ma00328 at the rate mix.westvirginiauniversity.edu. So you can email me. This I will be always available here. For my office, I will have like every day from Monday to Friday. So I'll have office every day. And if any of the time slots available here, you can see. If any of the time slot doesn't match your availability, you can always email me for an appointment. So I'll be available for Zoom or if you prefer in-person meeting, I will be here also at office. For the course information, the number of credit hours will be 1 for this course, and for there is no prerequisite for this course. Even if you have like zero knowledge about Excel, you still can have this course, and this course actually for you. And this course is not designed to be repeatable. For the course description, we know that the Excel and spreadsheets are running the world of data. Whatever we do in Stata or any other SPSS or R for the data visualization and Power BI, all we can do in Excel. Yeah. And normally what we do is like we just do basic calculations like sum, subtraction. So these are the things we do in Excel, but there is a world beyond these basic calculations. We can do, making decisions, we can solve any mathematical problems, and we can tell story throughout the data visualization in Excel. And by the end of the course, you will walk away with the practical skills that transfer to any field. You can apply these Excel learning skills in any field for any project. This is applicable for any department. And this is a very short 3 week power up, the very short course that will power up, that will save you time, make your work sharper, and give you an edge whenever and wherever you data you find. You can utilize your Excel to understand the data or also to show the data. For the learning outcomes for this course, students will enter, organize, and format data in Excel. Students will use basic formulas and functions for the calculations, and they'll make simple charts and graphs to represent data. And they will complete a small project that shows they can apply what they have learned throughout the semester. And for the course material, there will not be any books or any other materials, except you will have a desktop uh, Excel version that will be needed for you to accomplish the course. And how will I will assess your understanding, your learning? So we'll cover 5 of maybe 6, but mostly 5 major topics. And for these 5 major topics, you will have uh, assignments for each of the topics. So we will have like 5 assignments. And these assignments will be graded on a pass-fail basis. And if you pass, you will get the full marks. For the quizzes, we will have 3 weeks. For each of our 3 weeks, we'll have an accompanying quiz. So these quizzes are designed to test whatever you have learned in the course. And the quizzes will be like quizzes. They will be open-ended, not open-ended. They will be multiple choice questions in the quizzes. For the final project, interesting part is you will have like 4 options to choose for the final project. The first one is oral exam. If you choose to do that, either you can do it Zoom or you can come in my office. You'll just set the appointment time at your availability, and I will share with you a spreadsheet to analyze. I will give some questions, very, very basic questions, and you will just go through the questions with me. I will be with you throughout the oral exam. And another option, you can choose simple experiment. You will design and conduct a simple experiment and collect a minimum of 15 data points. And it might be any types. And you will also utilize this data and create spreadsheet that utilizes all of the major topics we covered in that class. So another option can be build your own grade book. You can see here students design a gradebook that could be used by a teacher or tutor, and your gradebook should include columns for assignments, whites, and students' grades. I will explain to you in detail later before the final week. And you will use the formulas you are learning during the courses. For the personal data analysis projects, it might be interesting to some of you. Students may choose a small real data set for their own lives. For example, we go to gym, we go to the student recreation center, we do our daily repeatable activities. So any type of your planning, your whatever you do daily basis, so you can use your own data and you can show them in Excel, like making using the formulas. You can show the summaries, averages, totals, minimum or maximum. Also, you can show them in the graphs for the visualization. So that will be another option for you. You can choose. For the grades you see here, there will be 1,000 points for all of the assignments. As I said that for Excel assignments, there will be 5 assignments. For 5 assignments, there will be like 300 points. And each assignment will carry like 60 points. For the quizzes, it will be 300 total points. Each 100 final projects will be like 400 points. And total will be 1,000 points. And the grade scale for A is 1,000 to 900. For F, it is 599 to 0. So you see the other points here. And for the mid-semester grade, it is a very short semester. Again, we will have obviously a mid-semester. So all grades will be updated by Sunday each week. All grades will be considered to be correct if I am not contacted by the time. If I don't reply you, that means you are good to go. For further details on grading policy, please refer to the grading policy section of the syllabus. Yeah, here you can see the grading policy. All assignments will be graded on a pass-fail basis. Any and all grades may be disputed by contacting me via email within a few days of the receiving the grade. And anything, if you have any concern, any question, you always can email me. I can sit with you. I can talk to you over Zoom or in person. You can do the assignment again if you have, if you think that you have concern about the grades, and we will solve it. We'll work on that. And obviously, all assignments will be open and remain open from the start to the end of the course. Very flexible. Yet, as a human being, we always intend to do like at the 11th hour, but make sure that you are meeting the due dates. So obviously, everyone is very smart. So it is actually not my job to teach you the time management skills, and it is a little bit uncomfortable at that stage to discuss about the time management. So get your assignment done as soon as you can. But please do not fall too far behind. Again, if you have any issues, if you're sick, if you're not able to do this by the time, obviously talk to me. There are always solutions for that. The date here I mentioned is not the final date. Obviously, university calendar will be the final date. I may change the date, but again, so far this is the date. And this is the most uncomfortable part always I find, I mean, to discuss. So we know the prevalence of AI in our life in every day, and we take a lot. There is a very good thing about AI, obviously, and it helps a lot of time to make data sets for the visualizations or anything. Mm, um, Actually, the point of this class is to teach you how to excel in Excel to do by your hand. Again, you can obviously ask AI if you don't understand anything, but the final project should be done by you, obviously. And obviously, if you're caught using AI on the final assignments for the final submission, you will receive a zero grade, and that is part of the university policy that will report it to the Office of the Academic Integrity. And if you still want to know more about the course or anything, any policies, you still can search on the university policy websites. Thank you. See you soon. Good luck for the semester.